Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into anything else, I just want to take a moment to say thank you guys so much for coming to the premiere of my first makeup tutorial video, and also to everyone that watched the video. So like anybody that watches that video, thank you so much. Thank you for coming to the premiere. Thank you for chatting with me at the premiere. I was so freaking nervous I don't know why, I get nervous about, random things, and I have a lot of anxiety, but to talk with you guys in the chat, like live at the premiere when my video went up, it was really, really cool. It was something that I kind of like pushed myself to do, even though it made me really nervous. So I'm so beyond words. I'm so grateful that you guys came and you guys watched it and you guys talked with me. It was really, really cool. So I'm also really grateful that you guys are so open to me doing makeup videos, because I feel like, when you start a YouTube channel and you're doing a specific thing, it's really scary to want to change that up, because you've gained a following that expects a certain thing out of you. So when you want to kind of branch out and maybe do something else, it's kind of scary to, I don't know, think of people being like, oh, this isn't what I subscribed for. If anybody feels that way, it's totally okay. I'm just saying it's a scary feeling. So anyway, thank you so much for being open to different kinds of videos living on this channel, and just for being here in general. I'm literally I'm just at a loss for words all the time that anybody watches my videos or cares about what I have to say. So it's surreal and really cool. I love you guys so much. You have no idea. So anyway, we're gonna do another makeup video, and I have the Raw Beauty Kristi x ColourPop collab, and I'm so excited to play with this. I have played with this just a little bit because I got it a few days ago. I got the whole collection, so we're gonna play with the whole thing. So if you guys are interested in that, then continue watching. So I feel like I talk about Kristi all the freaking time. She's actually what inspired me, like her videos are what inspired me to start doing the bloopers at the end of my videos, because I would always wait to the end of her videos to watch the bloopers because they were hilarious. So I started doing bloopers at the end of my videos, and they turned out to be hilarious. Anyway, needless to say, I am a huge fan of Kristi's, and I'm super excited to do this video. Like I said, I have played with this just a little bit. I haven't used every single shade that's in this palette, but oh my god, it is so cute. I'm sure you guys have seen this already. I'm not going to try to like race to review things that have launched like 5 seconds ago. I did just buy this myself, and I thought I would do a video about it because it's super adorable. So if you guys haven't seen the palette yet, this is what it looks like. It's called At Forest Sight, which like at first I did not get. And my husband was like, oh, it's like at first sight. Like love at first sight. So adorable, so cute. And I love that my husband caught it before I did. So it's super cute. It's got all these little mushrooms that are kind of like shiny and glossy. And then the rest of it is kind of a matte. And then this is the inside of the palette, which like, oh, stop. I love it. I love the inside. And then on the top, it says Raw Beauty Kristi x ColourPop with all the mushies around. Super cute. The back is very similar. It has mushrooms and the little glossy bits where it shows the shade names and everything. So I also have the lip glosses. So this is what they look like. One is like a clear kind of glittery gloss, and then the other one is this really pretty pink gloss. I've also got the 3 eyeliners. There's a yellow one, a green one, and a brown one. Super cute. And then she also did, if I could grab them, and then she also did 4 Super Shock shadows, which I have here. So now we're gonna dive in. I did do my makeup up to the point of like doing eyeshadow and everything, so we're gonna skip all of that and jump right into doing some eyeshadow. Okay, so in my other makeup video, you guys said that you liked the close-up shots, that it was easy for you guys to see stuff and see what I'm doing. So that is what I've done here. I pulled you guys closer, and we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna start with this green here. It's called Fiddlehead. Really quick, I have one of these like color switch things, the little things where you swirl the brush around to switch the color out. If you guys have any of these, how do you clean this? Because it's got a lot in there, and I would like to clean it. Can I just run it underwater? I don't know, let me know in the comments. I'm just taking that green color fiddlehead and I'm taking it right on the outer corner. And I'm blending it towards the center of my eye, but not putting it anywhere else yet. And I'm also kind of starting to form that like point out towards the point of my eyebrow. I'm not taking it too high like towards my brow bone, but I am trying to blend it up so that there's no harsh lines. So in Raw Beauty Kristi fashion, I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. So that's where you like leave the center clear and you do kind of like a lighter color or some glitter in the center, but I am gonna put some green right in the inner corner, a lot like the last video that I did. I love this green color like a lot. I feel like it's blending super well, like I'm not having to work super hard to get it blended really nice. It's just doing it. I love it. I keep adding more of this first green color and I can't stop adding more of this green color. So now I'm going to take some of this other green color. It is called Emerald City, and I'm just going to be dusting it kind of like in the same areas that I had the first green color on. But I'm not taking it out like too far. Like I'm trying to not cover that first green that we put down because I kind of want that first green to be sort of the outer glow of this second green color that we're adding. And I'm also leaving the inner corner as that first green color, the fiddle leaf color. I'm leaving that there and not adding any of the Emerald City color. So I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm just going to be blending out the edges. So now I'm going to take some of this like black color. It does have like kind of a pink gold glitter like reflect in it, but I'm hoping it'll just show up as more of a black. And it is called Let It Rain. So I'm going to take that on like kind of a pointier small brush. I'm going to focus it on the outer corner, but more closer to my eye. Like I'm not going to take it all the way out. I'm just going to kind of focus it on my actual like inner corner, like the corner of my actual eyeball. So I'm going to take some of that lighter green, the fiddlehead color, on a smaller brush like this, and I'm going to take it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take some of the Emerald City, the darker green color, and I'm only going to focus it on my lower lash line, but on the outer corner. Then I'm also taking some of that black color on the pointier brush again, and I'm going to connect it on the lower lash line as well, and kind of like bring some of that back on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I love how this is looking so far. I'm gonna go in with one of the Super Shock shadows. This is the Mycelium one. The packaging is just the cutest. Look how, oh my God, it looks so pretty. So I'm just going to take that on my finger and I'm going to press it in the center of my lids. And then I'm going to take one of the brushes. I'm using the brush with the lighter green color on it, and I'm just blending out the edges. I'm also going to take some of the same Super Shock shadow, and I'm going to bring it on my lower lash line, but on the inner corner. So I'm going to take some eyeliner now. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy eyeliner, and I think I'm going to do something weird. What do you guys think of that? I tried to do something weird and different, and I think it looks pretty cool. How did I do that? I don't know if I'm going to be able to recreate this on the other eye, but I'm going to try my darndest. Did I actually do it on both sides? That is incredible. Did I actually? Hold on. I'm impressed with myself. I'm so impressed with myself. Normally, I'm really terrible on my left eye. We're just gonna run with it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on some falsies and then I will be right back. Okay, so the lashes are on and the mascara I used was the Lily Lashes Triple X mascara. And I think what I'm gonna do is go in with this green eyeliner and line my waterline and my lower lash line. Okay, so the eyes are done and I'm kind of obsessed with it. So I'm gonna go in with one of the lip glosses. I think I'm gonna go in with this like pinkish shade. This shade is called Wildflower. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I love this. So yeah, I knew I was gonna love this collection. I love Christy. I love the whole vibe of everything with the mushrooms and the forest. Let me know what you guys think of the look I created with this palette and the whole collection. And also let me know if you did grab this collection or any pieces from it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, thank you from the bottom of my heart and my soul. Thank you so much for watching my makeup videos and being open to these living on my channel. I'm forever grateful. Yeah, you guys are just amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I have to mock myself every single time after I do my intro. It's just a thing. So my hair keeps going into my mouth and I'm not sure how that's happening. Am I just like, what's that? Oh, nobody told me that that was like that. I just spilled coffee on myself. The brown eyeliner is the trouble child. Oh my God. This is the point of the video where you get really close to my face. Hi. Why do I have to make that face when I zoom in? Why is that a thing? See, I did it again. It's not even something I try to do. It just happens. I don't know what it is. Dude, why? I literally don't even try. It's not like I'm like, oh, do weird things for the bloopers. No. No, I just am actually really weird. It's just, oh my God, hi. It's so nice to see you here. Wow. Okay. I'm also gonna take some of this same Super Shock Show. So I'm gonna go in with a, okay. Oh, okay. Right. I keep thinking that someone's looking through the window, but it's just my reflection.